if condition do this, else do this. This is as simple. If condition means it will have some relational operator, and the relational operators will have some relational expressions, and the outcome of that expression generally is logical true or false. So this is how it works. Now if I just try to reintroduce it in this way, like if x is 67, y is 90, my condition goes like, if x is greater than y, then program should print x is greater, and if it fails it means that the y is greater, so we need to write print y is greater. Now let's run this code and see what happens. So you see the y is greater. Now if I make this number 1671 and run the code again, then what says x is greater. So this is called the conditional statement, if else statements. Now I have another set of lines of codes which goes like this. I have written it like, I have mechanism that I take, this program says that I'm taking three numbers from the user and storing them into ABC, three variables ABC, and this one says that this is first, enter the first number, and this line means it will be typecasted. So A will have the integer value, B will have the integer value, C will have the integer value. The program goes like this. It just picks the greatest of the three number entered by the user. So here I have entered three numbers. Now the condition goes like that: if I compare the first number with the second number, and then if it first number is greater, like if A is greater than B, then I compare that number with the third number, and if the first number is greater, like if A greater than B and its true part, I come here. So if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, it means A is greatest of all. Here if A greater than B is true, it means A is definitely greater than B. But if A greater than C fails, it means C is greater than A, and A was already greater than B, it means that the C is greatest of all. Now again, if I come to the else part of this block, which says if A greater than B is false, it means B is greater than A definitely. Then I compare B with the third number, that is C. So if B is greater than C, then B is greatest, else C is greatest. Just simple line of code. But this contains if block inside another if block. So this is called the nesting of the if statements. Now see, and just this is the code. It's like this. Now if you want to rerun the code, you can stop the screen and copy it somewhere. Now I'm running it. So it says enter the first number. I entered 89, 98, and third is 32. So the greatest is 38. So this is how the conditional if statement work. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing to the channel, and keep on learning, keep on improving. Have a nice time.